My name is Nick Haley. I'm the chef co-owner of Zeno Restaurante in Edwards, Colorado. Tonight we're serving guancia de vitello brasato, which is veal cheeks marinated in Nebbiolo wine, served with spinach celery root puree and red beet gnocchis.
And we've been very fortunate to have Dr. Fink and Mrs. Fink donate from their personal cellar Williams Salem Pinot Noir. This is a stunning wine to be able to pair with this food. The elements of that wine have everything that I would be looking for in a perfect pairing. It's a soft texture, it has hints of minerality, soft tannins. It's going to be a seamless pairing with the braised meat dish for this main course.